A Dewalt snowblower. First time for me, but I think I have a couple of the things down. It's got a couple safety features. We have a key, and we also have a sensor back here. Once you get it all put together, it will make sense. But as if you just pick this up from somebody, these are the simple ways to get it going. So just unfold the quick release. If it's in proper tension, will just snap into place. Make sure the nut is snug. Same on this side. And then after batteries are in, fully charged, you can put the key in the machine. Safety powered, and it works. Electric chute.